What's up, guys? Houston here. And for those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. And for those of you that's been supporting me, salute. I really appreciate the support. Now, today's video, Citibank, okay? Now, of the Citibank business cards, I usually tell people to get the Costco, right? Get a Costco account, then apply for the Costco City. Well, here's the thing about it. Again, like I said, you can be a 690 credit score, but here's what I would do. I wouldn't start it out like that, all right? I would go the easier route, and here's the easier route, and I want you all to pay attention to this, because if you do it this way, you'll have access to more money, and you're building your credit up as well as your personal credit up, as your business credit up much faster. Now here's the thing about it. If I have a 690, I would apply for this. I would apply for either a Home Depot card or Staples card, okay? Now, you're saying, well, Houston, why on earth would I do that? Even if I got a Citibank business card, again, I want to use their money to fund my business account, right? At the same time, I want to make sure that I'm leveraging and building a relationship to where it benefits me. So that's the reason that I'm doing it this way. Now, I would, with that Home Depot or that Staples, say that you had a $500 card, right? So I would probably buy maybe about $300 to $400 of Visa gift cards, okay? So I buy about $300 to $400 of Visa gift card. I would cash those Visa gift cards out, okay? Then I would make sure I have a personal account and a business account with Citibank. So with those Visa Gift Cards I got from Home Depot or Staples, okay? Remember, they already gave me the money. They said, hey, you can use our money. So why not use their money? So this is, sometimes people going to get more than that. They may get $1,000 or $1,500. But at the same time, the thing about it is learning how to leverage. So they give you a $500 gift card. So they're like, here, we'll give you our department store card, right? So even if you didn't qualify for the business credit card or the regular credit card, but you qualify for the department store card, now strategy comes in. So this is why you would use this. I will still open up the personal account and business account. And for those of you that haven't set your business up properly, or you need more consultation on setting your business up properly, click the link below and check out three-way funding. Now, getting back to what I'm saying, I would take about $400 of gift cards, cash them out, and I would put that money into my personal account. Then I would put it into my business account, right? So now you have activity going on the personal side. Now you have activity going on the business side. So you put that money into the business account. Now you have that money in the business account. Then I would take like increments of like $25 a week from the business account to pay this down, to start paying that down, right? So every week I would pay that off. But again, I would start recycling. So I'll use their Home Depot or Staples card and buy the gift cards and take the money from the gift cards to fund my personal account and my business account. All right. So now you haven't came out of pocket with anything. You're just using their money to actually start to rebuild your personal credit or your business credit. Like I said, even if you get qualified for a regular credit card through Citibank, all right? Now, again, because you have all this, what it does is shortens the time for you to actually be able to business lines of credit. Again, don't do no business loans. Stay away from those, all right? The reason that you don't want to go to banks and get a business loan if you're a new business, because it's too much red tape, okay? And they charge you too many fees and it takes too long, all right? That's the reason they'll start you out with the credit cards. And then 6 to 9 months, then they offer you a line of credit, or you can apply for a line of credit, all right? But this is how you do it. And like I said, if you have extra money, say that you have a job. Then you can have a portion of your income from your job deposited into your personal account, transferring that money over to your business account. Again, actual activity going on to make the banks know that, hey, I'm having a relationship with you. I'm trying to have a strong relationship with you. And the people that have the strongest relationship, the more money they give them. That's the reason that you want to do it this way. Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Let me ask you, are you tired of missing out on opportunities because you have lack of funding or because you have bad credit? Are you tired of being told no after you submitted an application and they never told you exactly why you was denied? Have you ever went to the bank with a perfect credit score and applied for a loan or a credit card and they came back and said no, and then the banker looked at you and said, well, I don't know what to tell you? Well, if that's your problem, I want to help you. We offer one-on-one consultations, okay? And those consultations are directly with me, Houston Mcmiller. Now, here's the thing about it. Most people, when they're trying to get funding, usually it's always in a crunch, okay? Meaning that they're either trying to grow their business or they're just starting out the business. And the thing about it is understanding what financial institutions should you start with. Now, what I do, I put together a tailor-made custom game plan that's very simple to follow so that you would know where to start and where to end when it comes to funding. All right. Now, all I ask you to do is schedule a one-on-one consultation with me. Give me 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or an hour, whichever you feel is necessary for you. But let me help you understand how to get the funding you need, whether it's on the business side or personal side. Okay. Look, I've been in this industry over 20 years. And one of the biggest challenges for most people is in terms of understanding I have a business, I have revenue, but I have terrible credit. Or I have great credit, but my debt to income ratio is so high that banks don't want to touch me. So I need to show you, or I would like to show you, where to start at in terms of funding. Who may be willing to open up the doors to help you get the funding you need to whether you want to grow personally or on the business side. Now, if you're one of those ones that really needs my help, I would encourage you to schedule a 15-minute, 30-minute, or 1-hour call. Now, please understand, most people that schedule a 15-minute call, usually what ends up happening is they just have a very few quick financial questions. But when you start scheduling a 30-minute call, what ends up happening is you starting to give me more details about your financial situation, whether it's on the personal side or on the business side. And then I can actually customize something for you to start with, to work with. One of the hardest things for people to understand is you go to the banks or you apply for a loan. Now you have this hard inquiry. Now you have to challenge this hard inquiry with the credit bureaus when it may not have even been necessary. All right. So I want to use my database to help you get the funding, whether it's on the personal side or business side, for you. All right. Now, again, all I ask by you clicking the link on this here page to schedule your 15-minute, 30-minute, or 1-hour consultation, and you'll be speaking directly with me. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.